not juice.
What is it?
They call it a cocktail.
What else do they call it?
A cranberry juice cocktail.
With?
With 3 chefs. I don't know why they're chefs though. Like you need chefs to make something like this. Here we go. You know how much vitamin C this has?
100%.
100.
Why would you want any less?
The real question is, why does a nutrition facts label only have 1 vitamin on it? Vitamin C.
Because when you buy cranberry juice, that's all you care about.
This one has vitamin A and C and calcium.
That's because it's vegetable soup.
They
Vegetables
both have iron.
Makes
What's
sense.
really weird is they both have the same amount of iron.
Maybe all foods have the same amount of iron.
Percentage amount. These two have both iron. But they both have only 2% of your daily iron. So unless you drank 50 of these, 25 each,
We can do it.
that'd be rough. I'm not even done with 1 yet.
That's just one glass.
Now this goes out of the way to say lists vitamin A, C, and calcium. There's actually probably a code, because that's the same as this. Maybe food items, something. But they all have 0. They just put 0. But guess how much iron there is?
2%? That's good.
This is, I think it's a conspiracy
Getting crazy.
that everybody just puts a little like
We'll
you know,
sprinkle a
little
bit of iron.
sprinkle of filings just to get into that quota. 2%.
2%.
Let's check this out. This this is even a weird. This doesn't make sense. How many things have 2% iron?
All things. That is my hypothesis.
Let's look at your brown rice factor.
That's
Guess
right.
how much iron this thing has?
How much iron does this thing has?
This is 2%.
Oh, 2%.
I think we're onto something.
It means that you should eat 50 things a day.
I think it's a number that you earn. Okay. Moving to a different ballpark. Which iron is in this one?
8%.
In this one.
8%.
It's good. This is 6 and this is 10.
Cans.
Now, how much do you have to eat of this to get 8% or 10%?
1/3.
How do you get 6% from this?
1/50th.
Oh, it's 2 tablespoons, half cup. Which I think is 1 to 2. Not sure.
Therefore,
So just do all this. And this is the same
eat it.
as one of this.
Eat it.
Or one of those.
Eat it.
So now if I took this and I just sprinkle it
On all those foods.
on this food item,
You've made 2%.
Yeah, it's really efficient. You just go around sprinkling on shit.
No, it's sesame seeds.
No percent sign. Compare.
Steel. Do you feel more like steel? Isn't it great that we require steel? That humans to live require that there be iron in their bodies. Not technically steel.
How do they know that?
How do they know what?
Which ones you need?
Well, I'm sure some people fare better than others.
Do you think they ever just like depleted all your potassium? See what happens? They can't do that.
I think they can.
How do you just isolate that?
Well, because some places don't have long to go.